It's the boy Triple TV, and I'm here with
Lashona?
So today we're gonna talk about what?
Our childhood! Since we grew up in two different countries.
Yeah, me gonna talk about my side and she gonna talk about your side. Who was much smaller in our childhood days. Who get more licks. Who get who piece of the bed more. So yeah. Thanks for tuning in.
Make sure to like and subscribe!
The thumbs up, yeah. And we're gonna start off with she.
With she?
With she.
With she?
So, what was it like in your childhood days now? Like,
It was the bomb. It was the bomb. I don't know actually. Guyana was fun. Run around in my underwear, no shirt for a long time.
That's
for
a
a very
tomboy,
long
that's a
time.
tomboy, yeah.
Yes, that valid point. 'Cause I rode bicycles with my friend. Mountain bikes. Yes, I did tricks. Yes, I did tricks. I got into a lot of trouble too, and I was rough. Like I used to ride my bicycle, right? But instead of stopping with the brakes, I used to stop with my foot and jump off and let the bicycle roll into the wall.
That's my sense here. When it's small, like, if I use a video something that's small, if you look on it now.
Yeah, my mom used to be pretty pissed because my dad used to have to buy me a bicycle like every 6 months. So, what was yours like?
Yeah, you don't know, man, straight from Jamaica, yeah. Nobody knows supposed to know Jamaican stay already, from them childhood days.
No, tell us how Jamaicans stay from their childhood days. We don't know.
Because she knows.
We don't
tell her
know.
what go on. My childhood days, used to live with my auntie, my mother, grandmother, grandfather. I must say bad now one used to live with, because my mother used to work year on year most of the time. So yeah, so they was the most person to stay with some time. So yeah. But my childhood days with my grandmother now, so that days I can't forget. Those are days I can't forget. Because there was some days to remember, like, even the liquor we used to get, wake up early in the morning, because we used to live at the countryside in time, yeah? Grandmother was country area. Wake up in the morning early, we used to have this stone heap in the yard. We used to pick up, you have this big mango tree over it, we used to pick up every leaf out of that stone heap every single day. And if we not do it, straight the kids, man. So we're gonna grandmother them time, but my grandfather now was some farm of agriculture. He did some farm of agriculture and he used to plant a lot and farm a lot in the backyard. So like when school break and they break for me, almost every single day with their gully, I plant, I dig, I do every single thing. So then,
that sounds like some childhood labor type things.
Labor time.
I never had no labor.
As a Jamaican parents, they make sure you always upon some work. Yeah, work. I see you have to do something and then they can be idle.
Well, me, I guess I was idle, because I never had no work, anything to do. I played all day and not with Dolly House. I played with my friends, riding bicycles. I did get a lot of beating because we live in a big house with a lot of people. I am not even gonna start mentioning. I am not even gonna mention how many people, but it was a lot of people. And I am a stubborn girl. I am still very stubborn to this day. So I got my butt whooped a lot. It was crazy.
My butt whooping days, my grandmother came in every single day. Sometimes she want to catch me as alright. We do something bad. She called me and said, come on, this something there. And she play like she not hold your nah. She play like she not upon you. So each time they come closer, she just start tighten up herself. Because when she goes and grip you, you get gripping out. Feeling to your skin from left to right. I mean, say anything she catch,
So what's some objects that you got beaten with?
Oh, guava stick, mango stick, belt, you have this bush she used to use and sweep the yard. Those type of bush too. Oh, them little wicked, because them have some sort of buds.
I think I know what you're talking about though.
Yeah, you have some buds like yellow flowers pop out of them sometimes. So yeah, those are what I talk about.
One of the worst looking I ever got. One of the worst. My mom used to live in Barbados and my dad was in Cayenne at the time, which is French Guyana. And my aunt beat me. I don't remember why, but I just remember getting black and blue on my butt. And that wasn't the worst part. The worst part wasn't the beating until I got black and blue. The worst part was my dad was coming the next day, so she tried to rub out the black and blue spots before he could see. And you guys know that hurt. That would have hurt really, really bad. So that was one of the worst.
Next thing we talk about is whose parents they get boxed on more. I'll show them high.
Ooh, dang, that was my mom. Oh, I got one. Came from all the way back here. Oh, slapped me so hard my neck twisted. And my glasses broke.
They just slap or like we're gonna punch that once. It's like when I'm slapping the sponge.
No, it came from back here. So like my neck was crooked for a few days this way and my glasses broke. And it's because I left school early because one of the teachers were pissing me off. Hence I was spoiled.
I think with period, but yeah. My boxing side, I think I'm gonna get like one box for far one. It was small, like maybe like 5-year-old, I think I was 6. I can't remember what I just did, but I'm nominated for one solid box one time here and start ring. So yeah. You know me get boxed, but we can't remember still, but yeah.
Yeah, with my mom I would have rather her beat me with a belt than with her hands because her hands are tough. They were tough. I was glad when those days were over. How long did you pee your bed for? Because I know you used to push your brother in the pee. I heard that he used to push his brother in the pee so he won't get in trouble for it.
Of course, the body that as a Jamaican is supposed to do that already. You know, you get lick up, you get licking a man when you get up and somebody realizes that you might realize somebody piss in bed and you go say, are you crazy lick? You say, yeah, try to do something to prevent yourself from getting in trouble. So, yeah,
I think I was 10.
Do that sometime, but who don't piss bed? Everybody piss bed.
Everybody pissed bed, and I think I was 10 when I finished. That was a long time. That did not sound okay. Yeah, I think I was 10. But listen, my brother from my dad's side, he was like 16, so I don't feel that bad. We just have really bad bladder. At least I never used to push anybody inside and blame them for my pee when he knows it was his.
If I'm not on the bed now, you don't go get up early in the morning, chill my pants, chill on the pants, straight night wash, like throw somewhere different from the clothes and we'll wash, and put them in the nose so I can get it later and wash it. So that's what we used to do.
My mom tried. I think I was like 7. The last time I wore a pamper because she used to put pampers on me. Hey, I am highly proud of my childhood. I've been through it all, okay?
You can say spoiled childhood.
Yeah, spoiled.
Well, keep working. Grandmother love work, grandfather love work, mother love work. Keep working, man. Can't stop.
Did you get in trouble in school?
I'm getting in trouble, yeah. Get in trouble one time. This guy did, not what they have me, like, not try bad me for something, remember. But, I know, we're back in a film class. You know, back home, school, them stay after class here, so class next door and whatever. So we go in a film class, see book on the decks, and use the razor blade. Don't know sharp, no, use a sharpen pencil. Take out the razor and use the razor blade and cut in the book. Yeah. So they come back and see, when they come back in the class and see book cut up now, I wonder like somebody in the class said, well, yeah, him cut it up. So him come back to my class with the principal, we get in trouble. Then the time is principal. Then the time we used to go like primary school. Then the time the principal in a school. Then the time the principal like in a school. Crazy like in a school.
Yeah.
Right now, then can't get like.
No, that's not
But
like
back then,
now. That's just America. Don't they still do that back home? I think that's just America that
I
teachers
think so.
don't discipline kids.
Nowadays, like if you got a kid in a school, the next couple of minutes you see a same father and mother and cousin will come.
Yeah, but not the cops. Here the cops come.
Yeah, but totally different. But
I've never fought before. Can you guys believe that? I've never been in a
in
fight.
fact, one time in primary school, this guy used to try fight my brother and jump in and give him a punch and all that. That's the only fight we had in a primary school. High school, we dribbled this one boy and this one girl. But with that fight, with this man a fight, man, they didn't do man that bad. But
I know. I remember the girl's story.
That drape it up. That show something like I'm just drape up and make sure you know our place. Say yo, don't know yourself. You know what I mean? That's the only thing we do. She started crying the hell of this word like semi punch her.
Yeah, because you're strong. Yeah, those hands are like strong hands. So even if he draped you up, you got draped up.
I beat one, yeah.
He doesn't beat women. I can testify to this.
And I beat them, just let them learn if you have man. I beat them.
Anyways, that is a little bit about our childhood. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Comment and tell us about your childhood and where you used to do it, how much liquor you used to get, how much happy to bed and all that. So yeah, make sure you comment, a thumbs up and subscribe to your boy channel. It's Triple L
TV. Way out.
Oof.